Greetings friends, a few more tips and tricks. We all carry wet notes in our right pocket, but what do we put in them? We're told in fundamentals class that it's useful to write down tables and charts, that sort of thing. But there's also some other uses for wet notes. I can carry something inside like zip ties for field expediency repairs. I can also carry what I found is, after trial and error, the world's most awesome pencil. I don't know if you can see that, hopefully. This is actually a lead holder for art, but it's completely plastic, so water won't do anything to it, and I can adjust it and replace the leads if I need. And then you can also write down notes that you tend to use a lot, like for example, that one. That tends to get used just about every class. Okay, thanks a lot. What else do we carry in our pockets, aside from the standard things that we're taught in class that are useful? I carry a stainless steel wrench. This one's actually made, it's an adjustable wrench. It's made in New Zealand by a company called Maitland Engineering. Shameless plug for them, don't know them, but they make an awesome stainless steel adjustable spanner. I've had this thing for years and years, and it's got a bolt snap on the end. And you'll also notice that I carry a spare mouthpiece on it. It seems to fit perfectly and I won't lose it. Thanks, Mike, for that idea. This has actually saved a couple classes. So I just keep that in my pocket as well. It's pretty handy.